Vanakkam. Good morning everybody. I am Sandhi from Kanyakumari district, Tamil Nadu. I am MA B.Ed. I am working as a second grade teacher in Government Primary School Ithamali, Rajakamangalam Block, Kanyakumari district. I have 25 years experience in teaching field. Kanyakumari is my district. It is the most charming district of Tamil Nadu. It is the coastal district, southernmost tip of Peninsula India. My district is famous for agriculture and fishing. Triveni Sangamam, Vivekananda Rock, Thiruvallavar statue, Bhagodiyamman temple, Susindram Thanumalayan temple, Vatmanabhapuram palace, Tirupparappu falls, Mathur hanging bridge, Pechiparai dam are some of the most famous tourist places in my district. Currently, I am working in Government Primary School, Ithamali, Rajakamangalam Block, Kanyakumari district of Tamil Nadu. And there are 300 students and almost all the students are from rural background. My school has selected as the best school in my district. Most of the students are very talented in education and extracurricular activities in my school. I have struggled in teaching at this pandemic situation and I felt difficult in teaching about the lesson plans. In classroom, when I am teaching the parts of the plans, I explained it using some pictures only. ISATIAEA Innovative Pathasala has helped me to overcome from this problem. They teach us about time management, new way of lesson plan and innovative ideas, etc. And also ISATIAEA training give me a great support in teaching and learning process. I have learned new ideas, new approaches and many innovative ideas in my teaching. I have found a solution for my problem through ISATIAEA training. From this training, I have got many innovative, creative and problem-solving teaching techniques. ISATIAEA Innovative Pathasala website is very useful for me. I learned lesson plan, grid games, experimental activity, worksheet, interdisciplinary skill and the skills for teaching the special needs children from this. Mr. Mahesh Balan is our trainer. He is very brilliant who has been guiding and motivating us for last 3 months about critical thinking and problem solving, etc. And also he helped us in handling both online and offline classes for students. This training was really helpful for all the teachers. After attending the training program conducted by Sri Aurobindo Society, I really got so many ideas about teaching methodology. For example, Bloom's taxonomy, 21st century life skills, pedagogy for innovative ideas, and concept mapping. This training has improved my knowledge and created so many ideas in my mind. I have also implemented those ideas for my students through online classes. And also the students are showing more interest towards this. I also thank the parents for encouraging them. In online class, I explain it by using the real plans. I use simple technique for teaching EVS like project to draw plant and mark the parts of a plant.
Welcome to my activity. Come, let's go. Root, stem, leaf, bud, flower, fruit. Okay, bye-bye.
I have implemented pedagogy for innovative ideas, Go Green, for my students. Now through this training, I learned to manage my problem handling in online classes. ISATIAEA Innovative Pathasala training plays a major role in it. We have very beautiful garden in our school campus. and we have planted many medicinal plants there. SMC, VEC, PTA and Lions Club supports more for our school development. And also old students from our school helping more through Farmer Student Association. We celebrate many festivals in our school. For example, Independence Day, Republic Day, Onam, Pongal and school annual day celebration. We encourage the students to participate in range level and district level competitions. And students got so many awards from this. And our school received many awards for science exhibition, talent test, Swachh Bharat and in both education and sports side too. And also our school has awarded as a best school in my district. And I am proud to say my school is a role model school in my district. I would like to thank Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank for providing these wonderful opportunities for us. Thank you Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank for this amazing platform. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.